Hi guys!
This is my Mima.
And this is my Arella. Yeah, for today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Ito don't mention any name. I'll just ask you something. I don't need you to mention a name. Okay? Just put it in your mind. Do you have a best friend? Yes. How do you define your best friend?
Fighting.
No.
We always fight
Best friend na yun. And how did you meet ba? How did you meet?
When I first saw diba si Franco, I first saw him. And then, a girl went to me saying, "You want to be best friends?" I said to her, "You want to be friends?" "Yes." And then the next day, we went to the CR, both of us. Teacher said we cannot, and we were laughing. That's how we became best friends.
Okay. So, that's in school. Tama ba ko?
Yes.
Yeah, she's in your school. She's your classmate before.
Yes.
Okay.
But we will go swimming, Bridgetown, Damon.
Okay. You want to bond together.
Yes. Even with my tita, because they are friends.
Okay. So how do you find that the best friend ba? How can you say that she's your best friend?
So all of us, we have a handshake. All of us, the three of us. That's why we be best friends.
Big sabihin.
Kami ng tita ko, ganda handshake namin. Pero kay Amara, hindi pala yun. Ganito, Ano yun? Ganon.
That's because you do that when you meet. Pero
No,
syempre
when we
kasi,
go home.
alam mo, you define a best friend that is,
Very good.
hindi pa kasi nanaintindihan who is you love very much.
Oh!
And then, syempre, ang pag-best friend mo, dapat hindi kayo nag-aaway. Dapat you don't fight.
That's right.
That's how you define a best friend. And tapos, he or she helps you.
Okay, pwede lalaki.
He or she helps you whenever you need them. And also, you help them too when they need you. Ganon. Tapos,
Franco!
best friend mo ba yun?
Crush.
I'm asking about best friend.
Best friend ko yun. Best friend na crush. Ganon!
Bawal yung crush.
Admire lang! Nabisyon, no?
Kahit na.
Bakit?
Forget about having crush. Friends lang.
O sige na nga, Franco. When my chair falls, when my crayon drops, and I cannot open the door, he does it.
He does it for you.
Yes. When he opens,
Napaka-gentleman naman ni Franco.
he do like and then may apil pa nga kami.
Put this back.
Wait, 16.
Oh, yeah. That's how you define best
And
friends.
this is how
Pero kasi, since you're still young, tingin ko wala ka pa namang best friend. Siguro, come here. As you grow older, siguro mga high school days or high school to college, you will find your real best friends.
I don't know who's my best friend pa din eh.
Wala pa yun, mga friends pa lang naman yun. Okay? For me, you will find them and you can feel that having a best friend when you're
Big na.
when you're big na, not this younger
age.
ang yan natin is younger age. Friends lang, okay? Okay. Yeah, thank you for watching our video. Nasabi na ni Rella, yung mga friends niya. Bye!